Hello and good day. My name is Carlo J. L. Wagas. I am 30 years old from Compostela, Davao de Oro, Philippines. I am currently work here at Dairy Square Agri Trading since 2022 up to present. Today I will show you on how to harvest the milk of a cow using a portable milking machine. First, you must wear your PPE or the personal protective equipment. Then I must check the machine if it is good condition. So as I observed, the machine is no signs of malfunction, so the machine is good. Then I already prepared the lure with a mixture of 1/4 cup of molasses, 1 pill of spent greens per cow, and half barrel of water. And now, as you can see, the cow is already here in the milking parlor, so I will start the milking process. First, you must wash your hands. Next, I will wash the teats of the cow. Then wash the teats of the cow using soap or dishwashing. Then rinse again with water. Then dry it using a towel. So I get 4 towel because 1 towel per teat to avoid a cross contamination. Then I do a first stripping to remove excess waste like sand and manure. Then I will get small amount of milk using a test paddle. So I put 3 drops of sodium hydroxide in order to know that it is a bad or a good milk. 3 drops of sodium hydroxide. Then swirl it 10 times. So as I observed, the milk has no signs of discoloration, no stickiness, no yellowish color, unpleasant smell, or with blood. So the milk is purely white, so the milk is good and ready to harvest. So I will start the milking machine. as the other. And after that, we do a last first stripping to make sure that the milk allotted for today is properly collected. Then I put povidone iodine to disinfect the teats of a cow. And that's the end of the milking process. So it's time to release the cow.